Hi, so welcome back. In my previous video I talked about investing with PAMM Accounts. So this is going to be a continuation video, right? So when you click the link in the description, the first link that I've put down in the description, it will put you to this page. So HFM Markets is previously the hot forex broker, but it has now changed to HFM Markets, and it's a broker that has headquarters almost all over the world. It has one in South Africa, it has one in Kenya, as you can see. And so if you're interested in investing with PAMM Markets or doing what we call copy trading, is investing with best fund managers that are regulated by these brokers and making sure at least you minimize risk and always get consistent profits. So if you're looking to invest with them, just head over to the investment portal right here, and here you can choose between whether you want to do a copy trading or you want to invest with PAMM Accounts. So here we are going to go for PAMM Accounts. So when you check on you can just come to PAMM Accounts right here, and it will open up this window where you can kind of scroll down. There's a lot of information that you can read right here. As you can see, PAMM program is an investment vehicle that allows anyone the opportunity to invest without having to trade the markets themselves. So these PAMM fund managers will be there to do the work, and these are experienced traders who will invest your money and give you huge returns at the end of the week, depending on the investment period that you agree with that specific person. So here you can check this button right here, go to invest in PAMM. So it will redirect you to another link where you basically have to create your account. So you are going to create a PAMM account, and right here you can select the country of residence. I'm going to put Uganda. My phone number, I'm going to put that. Okay, so first name, okay, and then register your date of birth. Okay, so after filling that, agree to terms and conditions and hit register. So as for me, it is bringing this notification because I already have an account with HFM. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to go to my HFM dashboard. So kind of like I'm logging into my dashboard. So once I do that, I'm just going to hit login right now, and it will redirect me to my HFM dashboard. So once you are on your dashboard, on this left side, this black side right here where you have your menu, just scroll down and find where there is PAMM. So PAMM is here. So when you click there, it will open up this sub menu where you can open a manager's account, but we are not going to be managers, right? So we are looking to become investors, right? So you can click open an investor account. So when you click that, it will load a bit and it will bring you this menu right here. So this is a brief introduction of how you can become a PAMM investor and why you need to become a PAMM investor. So here you are just going to confirm that the past performance does not guarantee future results. Confirm all these boxes, and after agree right here, it says agree. Okay, and then after click open investor account. So when you do that, it says congratulations, choose new fund manager. Now that my account is open, now it says choose new fund manager. So when I click choose new fund manager, it will load a bit, or else you can just come right here where you have okay, it loads here. Here it will bring you a whole list of fund managers that are registered on this platform, and you can weigh their performances based on the number of days they have been there and other criteria, right? So you can see this one ranked number 1. He has been there for 18 days. He has minimum deposit. Of course, this platform you have at least have a minimum deposit of $250, right? So that's about 1 million Uganda shillings. So now you can see the gain. This guy has the overall gain of more than 3,000% in just 18 days, and in just 18 days. So last month, because he's 18 days, not a month, so there's no last month's performance. For last week, he has done 1.66%. Maximum drawdown, he has 56%. So as I told in the previous video, that usually I don't always like to invest with these guys whose their graphs are going up tremendously. I always want someone whose graph is kinda trending up, right? It is going not in a straight line, hiking like this, but at least, kinda trending up. So what we call an uptrend, whose graphs are sort of following the stock market movements, going up, then has a slight down movement, and then keeps going higher like that, just like we see the markets in the stock markets or in an uptrending market. So you always want to see that form of performance. So you can see for this one, like number 6 here, you can see his graph is kinda ranging smoothly, right? I always like that performance than this performance. Why I don't like this performance is, you can see this guy making more than 3,000 in just 18 days. Means probably his risk management is kinda higher, right? And I always want to go with these guys, right? So you can see, but for this one, has been here for 51 days, and the gain is 600%. Last month he did 506%, and for last week has been up 1%. So I really like that kind of performance. So when I check on this one, if you can see, as for F2, 14 days has been up 590%. His graph is smooth, and this guy's graph is smooth as well. Number 9, number 10, kinda. So I always want to see this kind of performance, right? But not these steep moving graphs, steep up moving graphs. I always don't like that. So this is where you can choose your fund manager, or whichever person that you want to them to manage your funds. And the good thing is that you can as well as choose 2, 3 people, 5 people, at the same time to manage your funds and give you better returns. So based on the trading period, most of these guys will go for 2 weeks or 1 month, right? So that means when you invest your money, you expect your profits in 2 weeks time or 1 month's time. So it is for you to decide which trading period you want to invest with them. So now when you get back to this PAMM section right here, and you can check on HFM PAMM program. Now if you check on that, let's open it in a new tab. Now here you can find more of the details of what PAMM investing is all about. So you can take your time, read through on how it works, trying to break how these PAMM managers open their accounts, and then they have to fund it with at least minimum investment money, and then they try to trade it for at least minimally 1 month, and when they are consistent in profits, that's when they open a PAMM manager funds account. So when they open that account, then this broker, this website, will review their accounts, and based on their performance, they either allow them or decline them. So most of these guys that you see here, they have passed that test, so meaning they have at least invested for 1 month and their performance has been good. And that's why when you check on this their performance, you'll find most of them, the overall returns is all green. What does it mean? It means for a month you can end up negative, right? You can end up making a loss for a month depending on your previous returns. So you can make a loss. For example, this one, for the last month he made a loss of -8%. That was a drawdown. Just like you can see this graph, sometimes it goes up, and then this drawdown is a losing period, right? But the good thing is after that they again, because they're experienced traders, so that happens, losses happens in the markets, right? So but the good thing, when they are consistent with their strategies, then they can again make that money back. This one ended -6%. This one for last week has been -7, but at least you can see their overall percentage is more than 100% return. So because they're experienced traders and they can manage your money. So what you can do is just you can select whichever trader that you want here. After reading definitely all that it works and you have understood, then you can choose which fund manager that you want them to trade for you or to invest your money, and then they will give you return. So after the trading period has been done, this platform or this website will share the profits between you and the investor. So it will cut off the profits from your profits and give the investor his portion, and then they can credit your profits to your balance, and then you can either withdraw it or invest it again. So this is it, guys. If you want to create an account on this platform, just head over to my description. You'll find the first link, and then you can sign up an account, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on another one.